Let's go one step beyond collecting leads and actually find out who your best customers are. With TinyTables, you can use AI to automatically discover and build your ideal customer profile, or ICP. That means identifying the types of companies most likely to benefit from your product, so your sales and marketing teams can focus on the right prospects from the start. Let's see how it works. We'll start by creating a new table inside TinyTables. Once it opens, select Find Customer. This feature helps our AI analyze your business and discover similar companies that fit your ideal profile. Under Find Customer, choose Company and enter your own domain, in this case, TinyCommand.com. Then click Search Ideal Customer Profiles. In just a few seconds, TinyTables uses AI to study your company, understand what kind of businesses align with your product, and generate an ICP summary automatically. Here we go. TinyTables has identified 10 sample companies that perfectly fit our target profile. Here you can see that the AI has generated a list of attributes for parameters like industries, tech stack, use cases, and more. You can refine your search even further. Filter by location, industry, or set a record limit to tell the AI how many ideal examples to look for. Let's look for companies in the United States and set the limit to 20. Once you're happy with your setup, click Create Enriched Table. TinyTables will now create a brand new table, fully populated with your ICP data. Behind the scenes, the AI starts with the first 10 companies and keeps expanding, continuously adding more as it finds stronger matches. You'll see your data appear row by row, automatically enriched with all those key attributes. And that's it. You've just built a complete AI-enriched ideal customer profile table. Each record represents a company that truly matches your product's DNA, giving your team a clear direction for targeting, outreach, and lead generation.